Hey everyone, I'm Andrea, founder of Aromahead Institute, and in this video I want to show you my absolute favorite oil for headaches. You use this oil just on the back of your neck if you feel a headache coming on, or even if you're in the middle of a headache, you just rub it on the back of your neck and top of your shoulders. It's a classic. It has my 3 most treasured headache oils in it. So it has frankincense. Now, frankincense has always been my go-to oil for headaches. It's not as well known for headaches, but it really helps. And then peppermint, of course, which is so well known for headaches. And then we're going to add in black spruce. And the black spruce really opens up your sinuses, helps you breathe better. So if the headache is related to congestion or sinus pressure or a cold or flu allergies, this is going to be great. All right, so I'm making it in a 1 ounce cobalt blue glass bottle, and I'm going to put an ounce of jojoba in here. So I'm just going to press down on this beautiful little calibrated pump, and I get 1 ounce of jojoba right into the bottle. That's nice. And then I'm going to put in the frankincense. That is so beautiful. That's great. So I am going to use 8 drops of frankincense. And we'll just slowly moderate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. It always comes out so fast. That alone is so beautiful. And what the frankincense is really doing is it's reducing the pain for sure. It's helping you breathe more deeply. It's opening up your breath, your sinuses. It's going to allow the headache to just really calm down, and it help you feel more centered. And then the peppermint, I'm going to put 4 drops of peppermint in. And that is just such a good oil for pain, especially for the head. You know, it has that menthol in it, so it's going to really open everything up. So we'll put 4 drops in of peppermint. And it's also very cooling. Here it comes. Oh, it's coming out a little bit slow. There's 1 drop. I think there's a little air bubble in there. Let me just tap the top. That's a good little trick. And then it should come out right after that. There we go, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good. And then I'm going to use, excuse me, 6 drops of black spruce. And that is going to really balance the aroma, and it's just going to bring this feeling of being outside in a pine forest right into this little bottle. So 6 drops of the black spruce. There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. And then I'm just going to cover this and give it a little gentle shake. And then, like I said, you can just apply it to the back of your neck and your shoulders. Even if you're feeling a headache coming on, or you're just feeling stressed, like a headache might come on, this is great for preventing. And if you already have a headache, I think you'll notice a big difference when you put it on. Now, this recipe is from a free webinar that I just want to quickly tell you about, because if you're brand new to essential oils, you will really enjoy this webinar. It's one that is about using essential oils in your everyday life. And so I talk about 6 different essential oils. The 3 I just put in this bottle, and this recipe is one of them. And then I also talk about lavender and about cedarwood, and one of my favorite oils, neroli petitgrain co-distill. So if you're interested in checking it out, you'll learn a couple new recipes and a bunch of oils. Then the link to it is in the description below the video. Okay? All right. Well, I hope you never have to use this headache oil, but if you do, I'm sure it will help. All right. Bye for now.